Salut, bonjour, bienvenue to our videos of basic French. And hi, this is Janish here from Wisdom Commerce Classes. So in this video, we are going to learn two more new tenses. What we have been doing all this while is, in the previous video, we have only dealt with present tense. So today we are going to learn two more new videos, two more new tenses, and the first tense is le futur proche. Le futur proche, which means immediate future tense, and le passé récent, which means recent past tense. तो अभी तक हमने जब प्रेजेंट टेंस किया था स्टूडेंट्स, द घटना दैट इज गोइंग टू घट नाउ, ऐसी कोई एक्शन दैट इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस राइट नाउ, उसको हम क्या बोलते थे? प्रेजेंट टेंस. सो व्हाट इज फ्यूचर प्रॉश? एनी एक्शन दैट इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस इन द फ्यूचर, बट कभी फ्यूचर में एकदम इमीडिएट, अभी फ्यूचर में बस वो घटना घटने ही वाली है, तो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज फ्यूचर प्रॉश. एंड व्हाट इज पास्ट रेसेंट? एनी एक्शन दैट इज जस्ट टेकन प्लेस, पास्ट में पर बहुत दूर भी नहीं, दैट इज जस्ट टेकन प्लेस, बस अभी अभी एकदम हाल ही में फिलहाल अगर कोई घटना घटी है, सो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज पासे रेसेंट. सो फ्यूचर प्रॉश, एनी एक्शन दैट इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस इन द फ्यूचर इज फ्यूचर प्रॉश, इमीडिएट फ्यूचर, एंड पासे रेसेंट इन द रिसेंट पास्ट, एनी एक्शन दैट इज टेकन प्लेस इन द रिसेंट पास्ट. सो जब हम प्रेजेंट टेंस करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं? सब्जेक्ट एंड अ वर्ब, हम वर्ब को कॉन्जुगेट करते हैं. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Okay, so there is a rule for future prosh also. What is written with a blue marker? So what is the rule for future prosh? Let's read. Subject pronoun plus conjugation of verb aller, very important verb aller, plus infinitive. So हमें already पता है what are the subject pronoun? je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. I, you, he, she, we, you, they, they. I, you, he, she, we, you, they, they. Plus conjugation of verb aller. So conjugation of aller, which we have already studied, आपको ये learn करना है. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Okay? And what is infinitive? Infinitive का मतलब होता है that any verb that is in the full form. Okay? Full verb, any verb is in the infinitive form, मतलब वो क्या होगा? Full verb होगा, उसका conjugation नहीं लेना है. So let's take an example. हम क्या करेंगे? हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. I'm just putting it over here for the time being. Okay? So मैं क्या करूँगा? मैं एक example लेने वाला हूँ. Let's take an example. The verb is manger. और manger का मतलब क्या होता है? To eat. Okay? So supposing I want to make the verb manger in the future proche, in the immediate future tense. So what am I going to rule? The rule is subject pronoun. So सबसे पहले subject pronoun आएगा plus conjugation of verb aller, je vais, and फिर full verb. What is infinitive? Full verb manger. Je vais manger. I am going to eat, which means I am going to eat. Next is tu vas manger. Subject pronoun, conjugation of aller plus infinitive. You are going to eat. Il va manger. Subject pronoun plus conjugation of aller plus infinitive. He is going to eat. Elle va manger, which means she is going to eat. Next is nous allons. Subject pronoun, conjugation of verb aller plus infinitive manger, which means we are going to eat. Next is vous allez manger, which means you are going to eat. Ils vont manger. Okay, students, ils vont manger, which means they are going to eat. And with the last one, elles vont manger, which means again they are going to eat. Okay? So क्या करना है हमें? सबसे पहले subject pronoun होना चाहिए, plus conjugation of verb aller होना चाहिए, plus infinitive होना चाहिए. So that will be called as the sentence is in the future proche tense, that is immediate future tense. I can say I am going to eat, yeah, I am about to eat. You are going to eat, you are about to eat. Let's take few more examples. for example, if I want to say she is going to study French, okay? So supposing if I want to say she is going to study French, so क्या आएगा? What is the verb for she, L. फिर what is L plus conjugation of aller, aller. तो she मतलब L हो गया, is going to मतलब वहाँ हो गया, and to study. What is the verb for to study? Étudier le français. So she is going to study the French. Supposing if I want to make the sentence negative, she is not going to, okay? If I want to make the sentence in the negative form, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? न पा लगाऊंगा. कहाँ पर? Verb के आगे पीछे. जो फर्स्ट वर्ब है उसके आगे पीछे क्या आएगा? न पा. L न वा पा étudier le français, which means she is not going to study. She is not going to study. Let's take one more example. For example, Pari is going to sell. Pari is going to sell the books. Okay, Pari is going to sell the books. So Pari, I'm going to write the same word over here. Pari. Pari means she आएगा she. Okay. So Pari then plus conjugation of aller. So Pari plus is going to. So va. aller में conjugation L va. To sell. What is the verb to sell? Vendre. Vendre. And les livres, the books. So Pari is going to sell the books. So it's a very simple rule, students. Very simple rule. What do you have to do? What do you have to do? सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है. Supposing if I want to say make the sentence in the future past tense, that has to be subject pronoun plus conjugation of verb aller plus infinitive. Okay. Let's take one more example. What if I want to say the sentence in the interrogative form? Okay. If I want to make the sentence in the interrogative form, is she going to? Is he? Is he going to smoke the cigarettes? Okay, so is he? So what do you have done? What is the subject pronoun over here? Subject pronoun is he. और हमें क्या करना है? इंटरोगेटिव करना है. इंटरोगेटिव मतलब उल्टा करना, उल्टा. ओके, उल्टा हाइफन क्वेश्चन मार्क. तो क्या आएगा? वा till. So we have subject pronoun, conjugation of aller plus infinitive. What is the verb infinitive? To smoke. Fumer, les cigarettes. And question mark. Is he going to smoke the cigarettes? What if I want to make this sentence negative? Pari is going to sell the books. So Pari is not going to sell the books. So no and pa. जब भी negative करना है तो verb के आगे पीछे ना पा. Verb के आगे पीछे ना पा. And this is how we complete our part of future prosh. Future prosh. Moving forward, okay. So let's move forward. If this part can, let's see if this can go somewhere right now. Let's do the second part now, the passé récent. Let's do the second part now, the passé récent. And what does passé récent means? Any action that has just taken place in the past. So what is the rule? Subject pronoun plus conjugation of verb, venir. So यहाँ पे क्या था? Subject pronoun. यहाँ पे भी है subject pronoun. यहाँ पे conjugation of verb aller था, and यहाँ पे we have the conjugation of verb venir plus de या d apostrophe plus infinitive. De or d apostrophe plus infinitive. So we know what is subject pronoun. Je, tu, il, nous, vous, il, elle. Subject pronoun. Conjugation of venir. Je, viens, tu, viens, il, vient, elle, vient, nous venons, vous venez, il vient, elle vient. So that is the verb venir plus the apostrophe and infinitive. What is infinitive? Full verb. Okay students? So अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम ट्राई करेंगे इस पार्ट को conjugation of venir plus infinitive को करने के लिए. So I'll just adjust the board now first. So now we have this board over here. What am I going to take? I'm going to take an example. I'm going to take the example lire. Lire means to read. Okay? And what do I have to do? I have to make the verb lire in the past récent tense. Okay? Past recent tense. So the rule says, first of all, subject pronoun plus conjugation of verb venir, V-I-E-N-S, V-N plus de or d apostrophe. So de आएगा यहाँ पर and lire, full verb. अगर यहाँ पे vowel होता तो मैं d apostrophe लिखता. Okay students? So subject pronoun, conjugation of verb venir plus de plus infinitive, and which means I have just read I have just read. Okay, so tu vn subject pronoun conjugation verb venir plus de plus infinitive, which means you have just read. Il vient de lire, which means he has just read. Elle vient de lire, which means she has just read. Fifth is nous venons de lire, which means we have just read. What do we have after nous? Then we have vous form. Vous subject plus venir, venez de lire. So subject plus venir plus de plus infinitive, which means you have just read. Next is then we have il form. Il vient de lire, which means they have just read. And finally, elle vient de lire, which again means they have just read. So we have finished over here. So what do we have to do? That should be subject pronoun plus conjugation of venir plus the apostrophe plus infinitive, which is the rule that is you have to remember. So let's take an example. Let's take a few more examples. If I am to say that she has just finished her homework. She has just finished her homework. I'm going to write the meaning over here. She has just finished her homework. So what is the verb over here? She has just finished. So has just plus past tense, which means this is passé or be just. So subject pronoun elle vient, subject plus venir plus de. What is the verb finir? Full verb for finir? Finir, finished, finir. So elle vient de finir son devoir, which means her homework. She has just finished her homework. What if I want to say negative? She has not just finished her homework. So if I want to make it negative, the first verb, हमेशा first verb के पहले न और पा. हमेशा न और पा कब आएगा? First verb के पहले आएगा. Let's take an example. Second one. The students just played cricket. The students have just played cricket. So the word is les étudiants. Les étudiants. So subject pronoun. The students in the plural form. Plural form means we will take ils else form. This is my the students. Subject pronoun plus conjugation for venir. Vn plus de plus infinitive. Play. What is the verb for play? Jouer. Oh, cricket. So the students have just played cricket. Les étudiants vn subject pronoun conjugation for venir plus de plus infinitive have just played cricket. So students, what are the two things that we have to remember for both the rules, for both the tenses? For future proche, subject pronoun plus conjugation verb aller plus infinitive, and for passé récent, subject pronoun plus conjugation verb venir plus de plus infinitive. Subject aller infinitive, subject venir de infinitive. Subject aller infinitive, subject venir de infinitive. This is what you have to remember. So let's solve few exercise. I'm going to take this part down. So we will solve few exercise now. Let's solve few exercise. Oh, so the first is je joue de la guitare. What am I going to do? I have two markers in my hands. Okay, the blue one is for future proche. Okay, I'm going to write over here. So blue marker is for future proche. I'm writing FP. FP means future proche. Okay, and with the red marker I'm going to write over here passé récent, which means I'm going to use the red marker to make a sentence into past sentence. What they have given us in the sentences in the present tense. So first, je joue de la guitare. Je joue de la guitare means I am playing guitar. उन्होंने हमें वाक्य को वर्तमान काल में दिया है. We are going to make a sentence or change a sentence into future proche. So subject pronoun plus future prosh करना है. Future prosh मतलब conjugation of verb aller plus जू का full verb क्या है? jouer. De la guitare. So je vais jouer de la guitare. अब मैं रेड मार्कर से सेम सेंटेंस को रिसेंट पास्ट टेंस में करूंगा. So I am playing guitar. I am going to play guitar. I am going to play guitar with the red marker past present tense. Je subject plus venir. Je viens de jouer de la guitare. I have just played guitar. So I am playing guitar. I am going to play guitar. I have just played guitar. The same sentence has been conjugated in the present tense, then in the future proche, and then in passé récent. Second one, elle écrit la lettre d'amour. She is writing the love letter. She is writing the love letter. Let's make it in the future proche. So subject pronoun, conjugation verb aller plus infinitive. Full verb. What is the full verb for écrire? Écrire. So full verb is écrire. So subject plus aller plus infinitive. La lettre d'amour. So this is future proche. She is going to write the letter. She is going to write the love letter, and with the red marker, recent past, recent tense, elle vient d apostrophe écrire. Look over here, d apostrophe, because this word starts with a vowel. This word starts with a vowel. So यहाँ पे जब भी vowel आएगा, so you have to make it d apostrophe. Elle vient d'écrire la lettre d'amour. Okay, so if you see, we have finished first one over here. We have finished second one over here. Let's start the third one with the blue marker. Future proche. Future proche. Les étudiants font leur devoir. The students are doing their homework. The students are doing their homework. So a future proche. The students are going to do. So les étudiants vont. Subject pronoun. Conjugation of verb aller. Plus infinitive. What is the verb infinitive? Form का क्या होगा? Faire. Full verb क्या है? Faire. The students are going to do leur devoir. And with the next one, with the red marker, past recent tense, les étudiants. So subject pronoun, conjugation of verb venir. Les étudiants मतलब plural है, तो il self form आएगा V-I-E-N-N-E-N-T. Viennent. Subject pronoun, conjugation of venir plus de plus infinitive, faire leur devoir. So the students are going to do their homework. The students have just done their homework. The students have just done their homework. Can you see what I have written? Moving to the fourth one, nous finissons notre travail. We are finishing our work. So in the future proche, nous, subject pronoun, conjugation of verb aller, nous allons, plus infinitive. Finissons का full verb क्या होगा? Finir. So we are going to finish our work, notre travail. And with the red marker, passé récent, we are going to finish our work. Now with the passé récent, nous, subject pronoun, conjugation of verb venir, plus de, plus infinitive. We have just finished our work. So we are finishing our work. We are going to finish our work. We have just finished our work. So this is where we have completed our third one, and this is where I have completed my fourth one. So यहाँ पे मैं अपना fifth one complete करने वाला हूँ. Moving with the fifth one, with the blue marker again, with the blue marker future proche. Vous vendez la maison. You are selling the house. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Vous, subject pronoun, conjugation of verb aller plus infinitive. What is the full verb? Vendre का full verb क्या होगा? Vendre. So you are going to sell the house, la maison. You are going to sell the house, and with the red marker, passé récent. Vous, subject pronoun, conjugation of verb venir plus de plus infinitive. Vendre. Vous venez de vendre la maison. You are going to sell the house. Okay students, so यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया है? कुछ ऐसे sentences थे which was given to us in the present tense, but we have changed them into future proche and passé récent. Moving to the next exercise, there are four sentences. हमें क्या करना है उस sentences को जिस तरह से mention किया उसको हमको conjugate करना है. First one, je dash mon directeur rencontre means to meet. Rencontre और यहाँ पे PR लिखा है. PR मतलब passer des sons. Okay, passer des sons मैं red marker से करूँगा. So I have just met my director. Rencontre means to meet और उसको passer des sons में करना है. So subject pronoun, conjugation of verb venir plus de plus infinitive. Infinitive मतलब same verb. Rencontrer. So I have just met my director या my principal. Moving to second one. Nous dash à manger commencer. Nous dash à manger commencer. Commencer means to start. और मुझे ये क्या करना है FP मतलब future prost with the blue marker future prost. So subject pronoun, conjugation of verb aller plus infinitive. We are going to eat. We are going to start. Commencer. The verb is commencer. Subject plus aller plus infinitive. Nous allons commencer à manger. We are going to start eating. Third one, mes parents dash une maison au bord de la mer. Mes parents dash acheter means to buy. And यहाँ पे लिखा है PR, passer des sons. So with the red marker, my parents have just bought a house to the seaside. Okay, so my parents, again plural form. So VN, subject pronoun, conjugation of verb venir plus DE or D apostrophe. Acheter starts with a vowel, so D apostrophe and acheter. So whenever there is a word which starts with a vowel, infinitive starts with a vowel, so over here D apostrophe will come. So my parents have just bought a house to the seaside. And going to the last one, elle dash les journaux. So that means she, and the verb is lire. Lire means to read. FP, future proche. Okay, so she is going to read the newspaper. Elle va lire. So elle va lire les journaux. She is going to read the newspaper. Subject pronoun, conjugation of aller plus infinitive. So we have completed all the exercises also. So in this entire video that we have learned is two new tenses. Future proche, subject plus aller plus infinitive, and passer des sons, subject plus venir plus de plus infinitive. Okay students? So you have to remember these both rules, and this will help you to frame many sentences in French in different tenses. I hope you have understood the entire concept. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you are a new viewer, and you can let your friends know about our videos that you are learning French, and it's a wonderful day. So I'm glad to teach you all, and thank you so much. Bye, au revoir, merci.